Blessed to the 12th tribe of Israel. And first and foremost, we have to give our praise unto the Most High, and His beloved Son, Yahushua. Today on my channel, I'll be making some chicken ackee on pumpkin coconut rice. I'd like to big up all my subscribers who subscribe to my channel and truly appreciate it and give you thanks. So catch me on the next cooking adventure. So yes, family, in this bowl I have 2 chicken breasts that I cut up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my wet ingredients to it. So this is my wet ingredients. So I got my garlic, broadleaf thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add it into the bowl with my chicken. Okay, so that's it in the bowl. So next I have my dry ingredients that I'm gonna put. I got a tablespoon of chicken noodle soup mix, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and half a teaspoon of soy sauce. So I'm gonna combine those in the bowl. Soy sauce, all-purpose seasoning, cayenne pepper, chicken noodle mix. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix this up and then put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. So yes, family, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna fry up my chicken. So yes, family, in this blender I got 1 medium-sized coconut. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend it out for my rice. So in this pot I've got my ackee boiling off. So it's gonna take 2 to 3 minutes. So the garlic and the onion is sauteed. So I'm gonna give this like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so my onion is finished sauteing down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the chicken back in the pot and then add my broadleaf thyme, scallion, and fine leaf thyme. So all that is in, so adding pimento seed. Also adding a tablespoon of chicken noodle. Sorry. Now I'm gonna add a half a cup of water to steam this down. So the reason why I put half a cup of water is to make sure the chicken is cooked, so most of the water is gonna be steamed off. And then last thing I'm gonna put is the ackee. So right here in my blender I got my coconut all blended out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it off. So yes, family, so in this pot I've got my coconut milk. So adding in the pumpkin. And on this cutting board, I got my ingredients that I'm going to be putting in my pumpkin coconut rice. So I've got onion, garlic, broadleaf thyme, and pimento seed. So So adding them to the pot. So all those ingredients are added. So what I'm adding in now is half a pack of chicken noodles. So I'm gonna put this on the stove, give it a 2 to 3 minutes head start before I put in the rice. I added the ACKEE to the chicken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a pinch of cayenne pepper. Pinch of salt. And the last thing I'm going to put in this is I'm going to grate some cracked ground black pepper. Okay, so the ground black pepper is in. So what I'm doing, I'm going to cover this and leave it to steam down for like 1 to 2 minutes. So my pumpkin and coconut is coming along very nicely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait till this boils up and I'm going to add the rice. So my pot is boiling, so I'm going to add the rice. So I've added the rice, so I'm going to cover this and let this steam down for 10 to 15 minutes. So yes family, chicken and ACKEE up, pumpkin coconut rice. So remember, if you like these recipes, you can always drop them down in the comment section and I will share them with you. And thank you so much once again for all my subscribers who subscribe to my channel. Shalom.
I thought that I would miss you more, but I wake up and I feel better, 'cause I let somebody go. We've been going